Welcome back to another video. I'm hoping it's staying focused on my face. I don't know, testing out the old gimbal. Anyway, today's video is going to be a bit all over the place. I done some filming last weekend but didn't quite make it into a video. I literally just filmed a bunch of stuff on time-lapse, which I don't think was a very good video. So what I'm doing is I'm filming this weekend. We are going to be doing the puddle lights for the car. Sorry, I got a bit distracted out the back window. Anyway, we're going to be doing some puddle lights on each of the doors. I think it's only two front doors that have the puddle lights. I'm going to look into the rear doors, and we could possibly be doing a sun strip today. If not, I don't know where this video is going to go. But anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next clip. Generally can't walk straight while holding a battery, but I thought while I'm popping down to work I will let me just put this battery down. I thought I would just come up to see the Starlet, see how the old beast is getting on. The wrap's holding on pretty well, but yeah, I'm going to stick that battery in it because I did charge that. That's a different battery to what was originally in it. Going to stick that in it, give it a little start because it hasn't been started in probably 5 to 6 weeks. Don't know, whenever the last video was uploaded of the Starlet. I'm out of breath now. But anyway, let's get that in and give it a good little start. Make sure she still runs. Just in case. I attached the old battery, so needed the 10mm to get that off and put that one back on. So let's give this a try. Oh no. Right, that's ground off. I love how simple these cars are, right? If I do this, you see that? That's literally the ground to the battery, goes up to the battery, and then another one just goes down to the engine mount down there, which I don't know if it was focused, but that's literally it. That's all there is. Anyway, I'm going to get that off, put the new battery in. Well, new / used, maybe doesn't work, maybe does. We're going to test it, and then we'll see where we go from there. Time for the moment of truth. Battery pack's still on the floor there, so it's not attached. It did unlock itself, but I should leave the handbrake off on this, considering we had all them problems before. Oh, hey, she started. Neutral, handbrake off. I don't know if the handbrake cable still seems okay, hasn't seized. Look at that, purring like a beaut. Just gonna, why's the light on this? How do I turn that off? There. The battery is dying on this anyway. Right. Put that in there. Still got no, we've done the engine oil, didn't we? We still got antifreeze to do, but I'm going to do that if I end up getting a new radiator. Anyway, I'll get back to you once this is all warmed up. Alright, so guys, the Starlet is all good, nice and warm. I've took it round the block. I took it down to the showroom, just make sure it's still running all good. Still don't know what the fuck to do with it yet, to be honest. I have contemplated fitting a Mini Cooper engine in it, but we'll see. We shall see. It may just end up getting sold, but at least we'll have some memories of it. Anyway, let's get to actually doing stuff on my car. So we are now back at home, and I literally just started that clip off like I was restarting the video. Anyway, I didn't get around to doing the sun strip because we are running low on gloss black and satin black vinyl, and I didn't really feel like any other colour would suit a sun strip, if you know what I mean. I was thinking about Nardo Grey, but I don't know yet. I don't know what I want to do with it, and cleaning the car also would have meant a load of other hassle that would have taken me an hour to do, and then cleaning the car, and then it would have got dark and cold. And I didn't really fancy doing that at the workshop, because the guy that's actually down there on a Saturday, my mate Callum, he closes up at 4, so that would have only left me like 20 minutes to be able to clean my car, and I didn't really want to stick around after 4, if you know what I mean. My arm is aching. Oh, I'm now touching the screen. Oh no, we're zooming in and shit. But anyway, we are now back home. I'm gonna be doing the puddle lights in the doors. Like I said earlier, I think it's only the front 2 doors that have puddle lights. I'm gonna have a look on the rear, and then I will see where we go after that. So yeah, let's get to doing that. Alright, so guys, oh look, damaged door, bloody thing, does my head in. Oh, the floor isn't too bad. To get these puddle lights out, I'm literally using my smart car key. Where are they? Oh, not even showing it. Is it that side? Oh. Oh. Which side is it? There we go. Then that's literally out. This is actually already one of the BMW puddle lights, but for some reason, because what had happened is I zoomed this in. There's a little switch on the side here where you can move it, and it zooms the image that is on the floor. And I was trying to piss about with that, because when I had it in, it was on a skew-if, like the picture was stretched. But luckily, when I bought these, I actually bought 4, because I thought, well, I got 4 doors, so there must be 4 of them. So I've got spares. I'm gonna try fix this one and figure out why it's not working, but hopefully I haven't blown the puddle lights fuse or anything like that. So I'm gonna just plug the old one back in and see if that still works. Give me 2 seconds. Alright, so as you can see, puddle light still works. It is, hello cat, it is literally the little, I don't know what you call it, the actual light. Did you get out of my car? She'll climb up inside the dash in a minute, don't worry, that is our cat. Not just a random little shit. Anyway, I'm gonna get to trying to figure these out, and I will get back to you guys in a minute. Right, so it's on and plugged in. You can't really tell on my hand, but it does seem to sit flat. You ain't going to see it on the floor, obviously, because it's daytime, so I will get some good shots of the lights working at night. Still have yet to look at why this one wasn't working. There's the old one, and then I'll get the other 2 that I've got. Right, anyway, let's open this box, see if these 2 work, and I'll put one in the other door, and then I'll get some good nighttime shots.